What I'm going to show you today is this property I recently bought. We're here in August 1st of 2023, and I bought this property in the beginning of July of 2023. Did I? Yeah, the beginning of July 2023. I think it was the 15th or something of July 15th of 2023. And I'm going to walk you through this property so you can see what we've done here. This property, we bought it's a 3-2. And we have turned it. It wound up being a little bit heavier of a rehab than I expected it, than I wanted it to be. And as you see behind me, you'll see it's freshly painted. We're excited because we're almost done, but our margins are amazing in this property. We bought it for 110, 115. We're gonna wind up putting about 35, 40 into it. And our ARV, our after repair value in this property is about 325, 330,000. So that's really exciting. Those are great margins. And this thing should be ready in about a week or two and ready to go on the market. Let me show you guys around. So check it out, guys. We have painted this property, recently painted it. Let's go right. We have also built a French drain on this property to make sure that water goes away. We painted the deck. The deck is not fully painted, but it's en route. And the deck is painted gray. Looks great. It looks amazing. Look at this backyard here. It's full of stones. We're here in the Pocono Mountains. This is what the Pocono Mountains is really like. This is in a community called Hemlock Farms, which is an amazing community. They even have a country club here. They have a lake, they have a library, they have a fire department, they have their own security, their own police. This is a really good community. Look at that stone up in the front there. Huge, 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 huge. Let's go inside, let's look around. So let's take a look around here. When you first walk in, look at the construction going on. We've painted, fireplace. Look at this, doors, of course, it's covered because of the paint that's going on outside. Look at these high ceilings. And kitchen, we are waiting for the granite. We are getting granite countertops here. So that's gonna be here in a few more days. So I'm being told in actually 1 week we should have this done, but contractors are always overzealous. And when they say a week, I say it's 2. Let's go down and see how downstairs looks. All right, so this is the master bed, and look at this floor, looking amazing. Look at this view to the backyard. Wow, this place is looking really good. It's coming together really nice. Floor is in. Just imagine waking up to this and seeing a black bear walking by right there. Boom, or a deer and his baby dove feeding in the backyard. Or you wind up seeing a fox running around, right? That's Pocono living right there, guys.